What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you only have one face mask, here's how to make it last. So this is an N95 mask. It's good for preventing the transmission of the coronavirus, and these things are really hard to get, and if you don't have them right now, you actually might not be able to get them as a consumer. But if you do have them, it's not uncommon to only have one, or even if you are a first responder, I know that some people are only being issued one and they have to reuse it. So here's a way that I found online to keep this safe to reuse. Now the key about this is if you're using it for the first time, you know that it's sterile and clean, and you can put it on and you just have two elastic straps just like this. So the problem with this is now when you're out, as you're breathing in, it's kind of drawing air in, and the virus and any of that other stuff, any particulate might be collecting, especially on the outside. On this one, there's a little vent here, so it might collect there or on the outside of this, and so this is probably not sterile. So what you want to do here is actually get a Tupperware container. This is just some sort of like cookie storage container like this. And you don't want to get anything on the outside on the inside. And so you don't want to touch it, and you don't want to certainly touch the inside. So what I've seen people do is basically use this and then use these straps to kind of hold it in place like this. So you just bring the Tupperware up to your face. And this way you're never touching the mask itself. And now I have the mask off, and I can take the top and close it up. And then when I need to use this, say the next day, because maybe I only have one issue to me, I take this, I line up the mask with my face again, and then I take the straps here. This isn't necessarily the most elegant way of doing it, but then I just run them over, and so I am never touching the mask, putting any of that virus or anything back inside of it, or spreading anything that it's trapped on the outside around. And then just take it off again, just like this. And use the straps to kind of hold it in place. Simple as that. It's not the most elegant thing, and certainly will take a little bit of practice, but this way you can make one of these masks, which are very hard to come by these days, last a long, long time. So those are the tips. Hopefully that will help you extend the life of this. If you want to pick up some of the masks, I'll try to put links to them that I find online in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.